Okay, boys and girls, now I'm going to go over activity number 2 for your math, and we're still on week 5.5. Let's go ahead and go through this sheet. It looks a little busy, and you probably think it's going to be hard, but I promise you it is not very hard. Okay, do you see right here the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F? Those letters go with the red boxes up here. We have A, B, C is right here in the middle, D, E, and F. Okay? So I'm going to read each one for you, and I'm going to show you which box to use. The first one, A, says, which doesn't belong? You're going to look at this rectangle, and you're going to look at the 4 shapes. Look at number 1, look at number 2, look at number 3, and look at number 4. And you're going to tell me which of these shapes does not go there. It doesn't fit with the other 3 shapes. And all you have to tell me is what number of shape that is, okay? Then we have B, and we're going to use this rectangle here in the middle. You're going to tell me, it says, fill in the blanks. Well, let's count these numbers together. Ready? 35, 40, 45, blank, blank. And you're going to give me those 2 numbers right here. What are they counting by? They're skip counting by 5s. Good job. Now let's look at C. We're going to look at this rectangle here in the middle. What are these, boys and girls? These are our 10s. Remember, their value is 10. Each one of those sticks is worth 10. So let's count these together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And you're going to write that right here, 80. We have 80 groups of 10. And how many ones? The ones are going to be the little ones right here. How many ones do we have there? Just 1, right? Now they're asking, write the sum. And the sum is the addition, and we're going to add those 2 numbers. 80 plus 1 is, and you're going to write your answer right here. Take a look at D. For D, you have a table, and this table is about students' favorite toys, and A is a kite and B is a ball. Each smiley face, boys and girls, equals 1 student. So it says, what is the total number of student choices? How many students actually voted? You're going to count all the smiley faces for both A and B, and you're going to write your answer right here. And then look at E. You're still going to use the same square. Which has more? Which toy had the most votes? Was it A or B? And then it's asking how many more. ¿Cuántos más? This one is tricky. You're going to have to count very carefully. Right here where it says write another question, do not worry about that part. Okay? Now look at F. We are using this number sentence, this equation right here. 7 plus 1 plus blank equals 10. But they want you to fill in the 10 frame with the atoms. This is all you're doing. You're going to take the 7 and you're going to add them here. 1. Oh, let me make my dot a little bit bigger. Isn't this cool, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to change my color. And now I'm going to do 1 in red. Okay. Now, how many more do I need? How many blanks do I have here to fill in to make my 10? Then you're going to write your equation down here. You're going to write, make it thinner. You're going to write 7 plus 1 plus blank, how many are here, equals 10. Okay, that's the red part. Now let's look at this side over here. We have A, B, C, D, and E. Now look at A. It says use the equation in a story problem. We have 12 minus 8 equals blank. You're going to write a word problem for this number sentence. I can say Miss Limon had 12 donuts and she ate 8. How many does she have left? Oh my goodness, Miss Limon, you ate 8 donuts? Or you can say, I had 12 stickers and I gave 8 away. Or I lost 8. You're going to write your story problem right here. Get creative, okay? And then you're going to answer it. 12 minus 8 equals blank. Look at B. Do you remember when we had, I'm going to make a little drawing here. When we had a little balance. Remember that? And if we had 5 plus 5 on this side, I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on this other side, I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many more do I need on this side to make both of them equal? Tienen que estar iguales. Tienen que tener el mismo número en este lado y en este lado. So what is my missing number right here? And you're just going to write it right there. Look at C. We have some coins. We have a dime, a nickel, and a nickel. How much is a dime worth, boys and girls? 10. How much is a nickel worth? Right, 5 cents. So you're going to sketch the coins. That means you're going to draw them. Then you're going to tell me the value. How much are those coins together? How many cents are they together? And then look at D. About how long is the nail? Here's the nail in the middle. You're going to tell me how many squares is the nail. And the word squares, boys and girls, is going to go right here. I can't write little, but you're going to write the word squares there. So how many squares, you're going to write how many squares long the nail is. And then over here, you're going to tell me how many paper clips long. And you're going to write paper. I'm sorry, my handwriting is bad because I'm using my finger. How many paper clips long is the nail? And then why are the measurements different? Why is it this many squares and this many paper clips? Okay, boys and girls, and that's it. That is your work for activity number 2. Let's say it together. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I love you and I miss you. Hope to see you soon.